I think it came in a little bit too hot. It's too funny. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the impeller and the wheel ring on this 2008 Sea Doo RXT 255. Alright guys, first thing you got to do is take off this piece here, this, also this piece, and everything takes 10 millimeter. And if you can see all the way back there, you got to take off that over there, okay? So, I don't know if you can see it, but this right there. So take that off. Once you take all that off, then you're going to take the bolts out of the back. There's 4 of them. So let's do that. Alright guys, next step is taking off these bolts. There's 4 of them. One there, 2 other ones right here. There's 17 millimeters. So we're going to use a long extension and just put them on there. Alright guys, so we got the impeller, got a new impeller, got a new wheel ring. We took off the cone off the other side. It's just 3 bolts that hold it. There's going to be a bunch of grease in here, so just clean all that out. We're going to pack it in with new grease. This thing comes off, you got to twist it the opposite way of lefty-loosey. It comes off. Now you have this tool that they give you. This goes in here to take off this thing, and you hold it on the other side with there's an Allen action here, so you're going to put that in there to hold it in place. Alright, I'm going to clean this out a little bit and then put the new one in. Alright guys, we got the wear ring on there. This is what was left of the old one. So it's all chewed up. So before you put this in, throw it in the freezer for a few hours. It'll go in a lot easier. Okay, and even to take it out, if you have to throw this whole thing in there in the freezer, let it freeze, and the wear ring will come out a lot easier. Okay, we put the old impeller back on. The reason being is the impeller they send us is missing a collar or something in the back of it. So every time we tighten it up, it wouldn't spin, okay? So it's missing something, I don't know. So we're sending it back, and we put the old impeller in there, even though it's all chewed up. This piece, we put it back in there. We put some anti-seize on here. We also put some anti-seize in the threads for the impeller. And this goes in righty-loosey, okay? So to tighten it up, you gotta go left, okay? What else? We packed this, we put some grease on the splines in here, okay? In order to tighten this up, you had that tool I showed you before, and then you hold it on this side with an Allen key, okay? So we torqued it, you know, the German way, you know, good and tight, but I think it's supposed to be like 90 to 100 pounds, okay? What else? I think this is ready to go back in. Grease, no? The other one was packed in there with grease. Some grease in there. Alright, we need to put the cone. Alright, when we took this cone off, it was packed with grease, so that's what we're doing. Pack all this stuff with grease.
How you want me to do that without this thing working?
I don't know. Load it up and go. I'll put a little anti-seize on these Allen bolts. put a piece of tape at the end so we knew how to put this back together. We're just zipping these things, but we're gonna torque it by hand. I'm gonna test this impact gun. It's pretty powerful. Pump it back together. We gotta just throw it back in the ski. Let's go. We got the Mustang. All right, guys, we just gotta throw the pump back in there. It's just throwing more NECs on these bolts. Okay, line up the shaft with the splines. We're over here filming. Stopping production. Make sure you, before you start bolting this on, you hook up this piece right here for the trim. I guess she works. I think it came in a little bit too hot. You're too funny.
Now what do I do?
You gotta push off.
Uh-huh.
You gotta push off. Just wiggle yourself out.
Deep enough?
Yeah, it should be. I don't know. Might not be deep enough, but. Okay. That's how you're supposed to do it. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.